Christmas YouTube. We're getting close now, aren't we, boys and girls? I hope your kids are excited. I hope you kids are excited, any of you that are out there. I hope you're getting in the spirit. Anyway, gonna do another fishing one. You know, 'tis the season for both Christmas and fishing. And I'm going to advise you to go check out Fishing Tom. He's a lad, does great videos, does great kit reviews, does great tutorials, things like that. Go check him out. Tell him you were sent by the shed if you want. If not, hey, listen, I just like to spread some love. Links above and below. Go check him out. Go say hi. And go tell him Merry Christmas. Come on, spread the cheer. Merry Christmas, YouTube. See you later.